Hi guys, my name is Vinod Porzale. Today's date is 14th Jan 2022, and today's topic is the synchronization and daemon thread in Java. So first of all, the what is the synchronization? The synchronization, it is the synchronization. It is the certain resource and two or more threads in the terminate to the thread synchronization and thread is the synchronized sub routine that can be executed the independent within the single process. The single process of the content, it is a multiple threads, and the process of the schedulers, the process of the schedulers is the all the threads for critical resources, and in fact single thread also contain the multiple threads. For example, synchronization, we use the synchronization block within the instance method. Then each object has it is the synchronized method. There can be only one thread for each object. It can be executed inside the method. There is the more than one object, and then only one single thread can be executed in the inside the block. It is called as the synchronization. And types of the synchronization, there are the two types of the synchronizations. First is the process synchronization, and second is the thread synchronization. So first is the process synchronization. Process synchronization, it is the term used to the define the sharing the resources and between the two or more process, and meanwhile ensuring the inconsistency of the data. There are many resources, and the avoid the certain sections problem, and like to the personal solutions in the most popular way to the deal with the simplers. And in the process piece of the code, that is being to the shared and different process to the call and certain sections. And second is the processed thread synchronization. There are the many avoid circles code that been shared to the different process. And why need to the synchronization? If you synchronization and in the two or more thread access the shared resources, and at the same time it can be load the destroy the result. Consider the, for example, suppose we have two different threads, T1 and T2. T1 is the start the execution and save the certain value in the field temporary, and which will be used to the calculate the some result when T1 result and T2 start the before the T1 result. T2 change the value and save file temporary, and now T1 will be return the wrong result. That's why we need to the using the synchronization. Different between the what is the daemon thread? Daemon thread is the thread that can be run the immediately of the background as a long, and other to the non daemon threads are the running. Daemon thread are service provide to the user and thread the running in the same process of the daemon thread. And in Java can be useful the run some task in the background in the daemon thread. So JVM terminate the itself when we all the users thread and finish their execution, the execution in the JVM. It is not both thread, and whether the daemon thread is the running or not, even if JVM is the find the daemon thread, they are the running up after than the completions of the user thread. Thread by default of the thread, it is created the JVM and user thread. Want to be thread, if you want to be thread, we have the domain thread, daemon thread. We need to the set method and through the scroll see then daemon thread. In JVM does not be wait to the daemon thread and before execute the program. These types of the using the daemon thread and synchronization in Java. So thank you.